In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add home button in header Shopify. Easy tutorial. We're going to add a home button to your store's header by updating your main navigation. This is quick, clean, and doesn't require any code. Start by signing into your Shopify admin so you're on the dashboard. If your screen looks a little different, don't worry. Just follow the highlighted prompts you see in your admin, and make sure you're on the home dashboard so we're beginning from a familiar place. From the left sidebar, click Content. This is where Shopify groups things like pages, blogs, and your site menus. Next, open Menus. Here you'll see the navigations that power your storefront. Click Main Menu. This is the menu that usually appears in your header across your site, so anything we add here shows up for your shoppers at the top of the page. Inside the main menu, click Add Menu Item. In the name field, type Home. Keep it simple. This is the label customers expect, and it keeps your header clear. Now click into the link field. A list of link options will appear. Choose Homepage. This ensures the button always points to your storefront's root URL, even if your domain changes later. If you already have a home item in your menu, you can skip creating a duplicate and just verify that it links to Homepage. Before saving, you can drag the new home item to the position you prefer in the list, so it appears where you want in the header. When you're happy with the label, link, and position, click Save. Give Shopify a moment to publish the change. Now let's confirm it worked. In the left sidebar, go to Online Store. Then click View Your Store to open the live site. Look at your header, and you should see the new Home button. Click it to test. It should take you right back to your home page. If you don't see the change immediately, refresh the page or try a private browsing window to bypass cache. On mobile, remember the header menu is often behind a hamburger icon, so tap that to check the item there as well. That's it. You've added a home button to your header using the built-in Menus tool, the most reliable way to keep navigation consistent across your theme. If you ever rename or reorder items later, just return to Content, open Menus, choose Main Menu, make your edits, and save.